Hey, it's Ben. I was sent this badminton set to check out, so I'm going to go through the unboxing setup and tell you what I think. Inside the box, the set comes in the carrying case, which, by the way, is a really good quality nylon bag with a zipper and handles. The bag contains all the parts of the set, including this one-page instructions. I started with the poles. Each side has 3 separate pieces. There is a base, a middle piece. One of the middle pieces has the winch on it, and the top pieces have the hook for the tie downs. And the poles easily fit together using these spring clips. Next, the net can be rolled out. Fortunately, it wasn't all tangled up, but that was nice. With the net out, you push the poles through the sleeves at both ends of the net. So I found it works best to just detach the top section of the pole to do this. So next I attached the support ropes to the hooks, push both metal stakes into the ground, and use the plastic sliders to draw the cord up tight. I suggest using 2 people for this step. That would make it a lot easier. The rope that feeds through the top of the net, it has a loop on one end and is free on the other end. The side with the winch on the pole needs to be on the end with the free end. Find the loose end of the top support cord, feed it over the hook on the pole, then feed it into the hole on the winch. Attach the handle to the winch and you can crank down the cord until the top of the net is nice and tight. This is a really nice feature actually. The metal poles, the metal stakes, the cord, the net, they're all top notch, very heavy duty. They're not like other plastic sets we've had in the past. So this is definitely built for more serious use. I was excited that this set came with boundaries, something we've never had. So I suggest 2 people for this as well to set up the boundaries. So there's 4 stakes. This is all one continuous piece, and there's 4 stakes already attached at the corners of the boundary line. So position these 4 corners so that the long side and the short sides are oriented correctly to the net and that the net is centered. Then you can press these down into the ground to secure this to the ground. So after I set this up, it occurred to me that it might help to put a marker or an indicator at the halfway point along the long end so that you can always center the net with the boundary. The set comes with 4 shuttlecocks and 4 really nice metal rackets. The rackets are lightweight, but like the rest of the set, I feel a lot more durable than the cheaper sets we've had in the past. Overall, this is a super nice professional level badminton set. I love that it comes with its own storage bag so we can easily bring it to the park or a friend's house. And one of the best features really is the winch. It makes it really easy to tighten up the net and get it nice and secure, and you don't like that droop down in the middle when you're playing. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching.